So guys, did you know that you can make up to $100 to $500 with Pinterest from your smartphone? You can do it. What you just need to do is to listen to everything that will be said on this video, and after everything that you are going to learn on this video, you are going to go and take it into action, like put it into action and start using this method to make up to $100 to $500. What is Pinterest? Pinterest is a social media platform just like Facebook and Instagram, but their own algorithm and their own way is different from every other platform. So how can you as an individual use Pinterest to make money online? That is one of the most difficult questions that a lot of people don't know about. Do you know that when you go to Pinterest, there is things that we know as pin, like posts. People publish posts there as pin, and they just publish it to like share their businesses, ideas, content, and every other things. In this pin that they are creating on Pinterest, they are making money every single month with their pin. So how are they making money with it? They are making money either through their own course, through their own products, through their own service, or they are promoting affiliate products. That is where you come in, and that is how you can take advantage of this strategy and start using it to make money with affiliate marketing. So how can you use Pinterest to make money with affiliate marketing? First is for you to create your Pinterest account. If you have not created your Pinterest account, you need to click on this video that is going to pop up right now, or you will check the link in the description. You are going to find how to create your Pinterest account. Click on it and create your Pinterest account. Once you have created your Pinterest account, good. The next thing you have to do is to go and pick a niche of the type of product that you want to be creating as a pin on Pinterest. So you can find in finance, you can take finance as a niche. You can use healthcare as niche. You can use crypto as niche. You can use fashion as niche. You can use food as niche. You can use like food can be like cookies, milk, can be like pineapple, can be like juice, can be like orange juice, can be like energy drink. So you can pick each one of these niche, or you can even pick finance, pick any one of these niche that I've mentioned, or you can go and do your own research and come back and pick a name for that your page that you have created on Pinterest. Once you have done it, how to optimize this your page to make it look attractive so that people will be coming back to like consume your content. First, you need to add a logo, you need to add a banner. So once you have done this, remember, make sure that you convert your personal Pinterest account into a business Pinterest account. You are going to still learn it on that same video that you are going to watch on how you can create your Pinterest account. That is one thing that I forget to say, and that is what I'm saying now. So just for you to have that in mind. So once you have filled up and you have set up your account, you have make it to look a little bit branding look. You know, you need to be good. When people see it, they will be coming back every time to consume that your content. So that is one thing that I want you to do. So once you have done this, once you are picking this niche, what you need to do is to look for tools and services that can be helping your audience to either to make money online or to learn how they can advance or how they can grow their business. So it can be let's say for example, we talk about like ChatGPT. We are using ChatGPT for example. Let us say we are promoting ChatGPT to our own audience. ChatGPT, which is the owner of ChatGPT, can decide to say, okay, if you are able to bring one client to ChatGPT that can be using ChatGPT every single month, I'm going to be paying you $10 to $20 for each person that you bring. And this $10 to $20 is going to be a recurring commission. Recurring commission is when you are paying monthly subscription plan for a particular software. So for you are going to be receiving monthly recurring revenue for you bringing one client to ChatGPT. So I hope you get the simple understanding. So if you are able to send one person to ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to be paying you monthly recurring revenue, which means you are going to be making money every single month. As long as the person that you refer is still using ChatGPT, It's not just by using it, the person is going to pick the premium plan of ChatGPT, which is the paid plan of ChatGPT. As long as they are paying the monthly subscription, you as the referrer, you are going to be making money. I just want you to get a very good foundation of what affiliate marketing is and how it works. So now that you have idea of the type of product and services that you can promote, the next thing you need to do is to use a keyword. How can you do keyword research on Pinterest? First is for you to go to Pinterest, click on the search bar and search for like best tool to optimize my finance, or let us say for example best tool to rank my website on the first page. Just search for how to use ChatGPT. You can see all these title and what people are searching. Pick the ones that is on the first page and go and add it as a title and add it to as a description on that your product or service that you are trying to promote. This is just for example. It's for you to get idea of how you can do keyword research to make sure that you are promoting or you are publishing what people are searching for on Pinterest, so that when they search for this type of keyword, your pin or your pin that you have created, they're going to display on their front and they are going to click on your pin, read it, click on the where you said visit site. If they like it and they find it useful, they are going to pick the premium plan and start using that software that you are promoting. And if they pick the premium plan, like I said, you are going to start making money. So that is how you can use this website, which is called Pinterest, to make money with affiliates. And let us say you need an image. You don't know where you can create an image. You can go and create the image that you want to publish on that your pin on Canva. Go to Canva, just search for Pinterest pin, and you are going to see a list of Pinterest pin that you can go and use the template, change the name and everything, and add in your own product and services that you are trying to promote. Download it and go and publish it on Pinterest. And you are going to find out that you are going to be getting free traffic to that your affiliate product, and at the same time making money from it. So that is how you can make from $100 to $500 with Pinterest and affiliate program or affiliate marketing. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video. If you find this video helpful, only what I want to ask you is for you to just hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I really want to hear from you. If you want to learn how I made money by investing into S&P 500, you can click on this video that is going to pop up right now. It's going to show you step by step how you can make money by investing your money on S&P 500. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. See you soon.